Hello everyone, welcome to CodeVardhan. So the last video we have seen how we can work on loops and how we can print a table. In this video we will be checking how we can print even and odd numbers in terms of the loop, and we will print even and odd number from a certain range from a starting of 10 to 20, something like that. Let's do that. Okay, so quickly moving to our Jupyter notebook, create going back and creating a new notebook here and name it as even odd. So I'm naming it as even odd. Okay, and what we'll do here, so in last video we have seen how we can take inputs. Okay, so in this video also we will be asking our user, give me the range for like the starting value and the end value. Between that we will be searching the even and odd numbers. So for to asking about the initial and ending value, we will taking two variables as start and the second variable as end. Okay, so here again I am taking in integer format. I am taking input and putting here enter the start value. Okay, in the same way here I am taking int, taking input and writing here enter the end value. Okay, so from here we will getting start and end values. Okay, once we get a start and end value we have to work on our even odd. Okay, so how we can consider a number is even and odd. So coming back to my whiteboard, in the starting when we are learning about the operators, we have seen that if we are taking something as this operator, this is called as modulus operator. Modulus operator. Okay, in terms of modulus operator, what we have to do in terms of modulus operator, what is happening actually, so when we are working on modulus operator, it giving me remainder. Okay, so if I divide 5 by 2, it gives me 1 as remainder. So to check a number is even or odd, we can simply check if a number is completely divisible by 2, then we can say that yes, the number is even. If it is not completely divisible by 2, we can say that yeah, no, the number is not even. So we have to specially checking the remainder. If remainder is coming as 0 means completely divisible. If remainder is coming as 1 means not completely divisible. Okay, so coming back to our code, and here let's do the loop for I in range, and my range will is from start, because the starting value comma my range will till the end. So here we will take end plus 1. Why I am taking plus 1? Please do comments why I am taking plus 1. Okay, now for I in range, start, and these things like that. Okay, so now if, simply saying if my I, because I is taking every number from 1 2 3 4, for example whatever the range. So in this particular case I am taking my start value as 10 and taking my end value as 20. Okay, so my I will give take the value of 10 in 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, then 19 and 20 also. Why 20 also? That you have to put in the comment. Okay, now I, if I modulus 2 is equals to 0, in that case I will print even number. Okay, or else I will print odd number. Sorry, here also we will be taking this like this in the double quotes. Okay, now let's quickly run this. So starting value taking as 10, ending value taking as 20. Okay, so I'm getting something even odd, even odd, even odd. But here it's not looking good. Where is even, where is odd, what is happening? It's not looking good. So to make it more beautiful, I'm just copying this code and pasting it here, and we'll do the changes to make it looks like more better. What I will do, in this print, I am taking I and putting comma. Here also I am taking I and putting comma. What will happen with doing this? It will also print the I, and with a space of that we'll print the even and odd number. Let's run this. Taking 10 and 20, it looks like this. 10 even number, 11 odd number, 12 even number, 13 odd number, 14. So it's working like this. Okay. If you want to print only even numbers, and if you want to print only odd numbers in a series, in a sequence, for that what we will do, I'm just copying this code only, okay, putting it here. So to print only even number, the else is not required, so we'll simply remove this else from here, and also I will remove this from here. And there is an important thing in print that we called as end equal to, like this. So what it will do, it will not take the cursor to the new line. If you can see, after each and every print it is going to the new line. Each and every print it's going to the new line. From here it's done, go to the new line. From here it's done, go to the new line. Okay. So to understand it better, I am taking one more cell on the top of this, and I am doing this. So print ABC, like this, ABC, and putting it here comma and printing I. Okay, whatever the value of I it will take, no problem. And then again I am print XYZ. If I run this code, what you will see, ABC 20, and it is quickly going to the new line. Okay, so I don't want at after every print it will go to the new lines, so for that I am taking this ends. Understood? Now let's run this thing. Start value 10 and value 20. You can see it comes everything in the new same line, 10, 12, 14. In the same way you can do the for the odd. Let's copy this and paste it here. Let's do for the odd. In terms of odd, this should not equals to 0. So what we can do here, I can write not equal to 0. The exclamation mark work as a not sign. So not equal to 0. If I run this, 10 and 20, yes, we'll get all the odd numbers. One more thing you can do, let's copy this, making this equals to 0, and in here I am taking else, here print I comma end equal to space, and making this variable as pass. When I am taking you through the loops and the introduction part of the loop, there I will told you that there is something continuous statement, then we have the break statement and the pass statement. This is the working of pass statement. If you don't want to write anything in this, okay, if you want to make it blank, you have to write something called as pass. Okay, now run this again. This is 10, it's 20. Yeah, simply it's working very fine. Okay, if you want to print the even number, I can do like this. Here I will take this print as this statement, and at this particular point I will write pass. Now run this code again, 10 and 20. Yeah, I'm getting the all the even numbers. So this is the explanation of even and odd numbers. I hope you like this video. Please do comment if you have any type of doubts. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.